Yeah, right, so just make sure you're really clear with everybody about order of operations for that. So toe screws and frame the screws out. Just overly communicate with everybody, please.
One of the things that's really unique about community theater at Live Arts and other community theaters is that we have an opportunity for multiple generations to work together as creative colleagues. That's something we don't get a lot. There's always a power hierarchy, and there's something really special that comes from working with a teen or even younger and seeing them as creative equals and really feeding off of each other and collaborating together in a really meaningful way.
And that's how you cheat a little bit when your blade isn't big enough.
We try to provide opportunities here that kids won't get through their school programming so that we really can give a lot of extra value. For the Mentor Apprentice shows, we pair each adult on the production staff with a teen apprentice. So the set designer has a set apprentice, the lighting designer has a lighting apprentice.
My name is Isaac Truman Nashville Russell, and I go to Charlottesville High School, and I am the apprentice technical designer for Curious Incident of the Dog at Nighttime.
I got that far.
Well, I started in theater when I was 5 years old, so I've been involved in theater for more than 30 years now. And specifically technical direction at Live Arts enables me to teach, and it enables me to sort of uplift the people around me and to spread skill sets. Their life skills, you know, learning how to use a power tool is something you take with you, obviously, outside of theater.
This is actually the first time they've ever done a technical designer apprenticeship, but my duties were to just work on the set and learn skills and kind of manage in set, lights, sound. We worked mostly with set, build in the whole kind of Tetris idea. We worked with the set designer and his apprentice. Jeremy's a very nice guy. He's just a very fun guy to work with, you know. He's very jokey, you know. I think we have a good relationship, but he can be very professional, you know, and he can know when to bar that line between professionalism and just having fun, you know, and I think he's a great teacher.
When Isaac first came in, he's very soft-spoken. And over the course of our process together, it's been really nice to see him go from a really kind of quiet kid to somebody who's you know, out there working with us, and he's trading barbs with the rest of us, and he's teasing me, and he's right there with me asking questions and working, and I hope he's learning as well.
Do you know your father's phone number, Christopher?
I love theater because I love talking to people, and I love meeting new people and getting involved in the community, and theater has always been an accepting environment for just anyone. I am Ella Anthony. I am a sophomore at Monticello High School, and I am the apprentice sound designer. I love music. I play a lot of instruments, and I love just music in general, so doing sound makes me just feel like there's a place for me at theater. This show, we started very early. We started in November.
Sound designer means that you are trying to help tell the story through sound. Depending on the show, that might just be a couple of music cues or an effect to make thunder or lightning or something like that. On this particular show, the show has almost 60 scenes that quickly change time and place. So the goal is to help orient the audience through sound and through other technical means to where they are so that they will never feel confused about their place.
Did you mean to hit the policeman?
Yes.
But you didn't mean to.
I'm Kai Landers. I'm a sophomore at Monticello High School, and I'm a lighting design apprentice. When we're getting things sorted out, it's all about production meetings, planning out lighting specifically for this, you know, like what kind of relationship it'll have with set, with sound.
My relationship with Kai it's been a very open relationship, especially because I came to it without having ever done something like this before. So he was very open and just wanted to learn anything that I had to offer.
It's a learning experience. It helps you develop as a person. And it starts off being kind of stressful, of course, but then you find yourself in a groove of it all. Once the production meetings are over, then it's opening night.
I'm out of the picture now, but my apprentice, she has to run the board every night, which means that she has to be totally keyed in and focused on hitting all 140 of those cues. It's really a big adult level responsibility to put in her hands.
Kai has taken all of the notes that I've given and has asked the right questions, and he's been amazing during the run of the show.
It's a lot of hard work. They do come and do a lot of hard work, but there's a little opportunity here and there for fun. And they certainly, I see friendships being made and maintained over the years, and it's just really, it really warms my heart.
Did you kill the dog?
I did not kill the dog.
You know that it is wrong to lie to a policeman and that you can get into a very risky
I made the choice to come here, and it's because of the way Live Arts engages with its community. It's very direct.
With every show, what we keep talking about is what is the reason for this show? How does it speak to our community? What voices is it reflecting in our community? And how does it serve both our volunteer base and our audience base?
Our mission and our goal very actively is to create inclusive and accessible work. That's what we're actively striving for, is to create that space for everyone to feel really safe, to expand and to experiment and to fail. Because if we don't mess up and we don't fail, then we're not learning.